Please test the performance before installing the hood. If there is any abnormality, please contact customer service in time.
Step 1. Make sure the hood cabinet opening is 499*260 mm
and thickness is greater than or equal to 50 mm. Step 2. Align and stick the installation drawing to the bottom of the hood cabinet. And drill the 12 holes with an electric drill. Step 3. Take off the installation drawing and place the expansion pellets in the holes. Step 4. Remove the aluminum filter, unscrew the 3 screws on the back and the 4 interior screws on both sides of the hood panel, then remove it. Step 5. Install the check valve, connect the exhaust pipe. Place the hood in the cabinet, and tighten it with screws. Step 6. Fit back the hood panel. Secure the 3 screws on the back and the 4 interior screws on both sides of hood panel. Step 7. Fit and secure the aluminum filter back into the hood.